Y'all didn't see this, but I had to go. Hang on, let me pop this back.
Oh shit.
That's where I had to go to get it before.
Alright.
I should have filmed it.
Can't even see that, it's too dark.
It is very dark. But I had to sneak in here, down there. And I fell.
You fell?
Yeah, I skidded from the second floor down the shaft.
Your quad fell.
Yeah. Quad slipped.
No, no way.
Oh, fuck. Ah, man. Oh, shit.
Oh, it's a GoPro and a fucking... She's floating down that way. No way. Can't, that's not her. Don't say that. No, not floating. I mean, it's... In the water. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah.
You sure it's in this?
Oh, yeah, I
No,
watched it going.
It's totally.
I watched it bounce over the ledge. I thought I saved it. I thought I had it, so I didn't get on, and then it...
I didn't know how fucking deep
I
that
know.
shit was, bro.
Well, we heard a splash that time, right? So PDB did go in there.
It must have.
Maybe I didn't.
I watched it. I watched it too.
No, I mean I was watching.
Yeah.
I saw the green.
If it makes you feel any better, I'm on number 7.
Fucking drone gods.
Oh, well. I ain't gonna cry over spilled milk. I was gonna do the Matty and then I didn't have it. I was like fucking two angled, so I was spinning instead, and I must have I flipped like over here somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to try to connect the GoPro app to it?
That shit's floating way downstream, I think.
Maybe not.
The current's pretty bad.
And this GoPro is that giving me trouble connecting. I
Oh,
would
really?
be shocked if it connected.
Probably not.
That current went down.
Hard maybe, but
20,
Oh
30
shit, I'm
feet.
fucking carrying around this drone saver without a hook.
yeah, there's no hook.
I don't think it would have made a difference anyway. Yeah, she's
Nothing.
rest in peace.
That's a cool line you did though up through that fucking shit. Stairs. So the stairs that you dived down, he went up and power lifted up.
Which stairs?
Like on this second floor, right?
Oh yeah, that's one of the gaps
Dude, it
we
was
cleared
dope.
out.
Oh, you went in through the roof?
No, like you know the stairs to get
well,
up
you know
top.
these-
Yeah, yeah.
He went up the stairs and power looped out through the fucking top of it.
Oh, like you said you would. Exactly what you said you did. Would you?
I think you did like a double spin though. I think that's what fucked you up.
Yeah, it was
because you
Yeah.
like you missed the
missed
you
the
missed the
Matty.
Matty, but then you like double rolled or
I didn't
something.
feel confident about it.